Hello guys, it's Amir Hussein, and in this very fun episode I'm going to show you how we can make pictures like this picture that I'm showing you right now. This kind of pictures are named double exposure. You can search in Google by double exposure or multi-exposure, many exposure. They will come pictures like these. These are very fun, cool, and easy to make pictures like this. Let's jump to Photoshop and let the fun begin. Okay. In this episode I'm going to use this picture and also this picture. This is Empire State and this is New York and this game. First thing we should do, I should select this girl and make out or cut out this background. A little easy way, I think, let me just select this. Easy way is to color range, color this, and now select, excuse me. Now here I can use with quick selection tool, press Alt to delete this area, because I don't want this area to be selected. You can see hair here are not completely selected. Here is not completely selected. You can see here it is a very good selection tool based on color variation, but in this episode I'm not going to use this method. I'm going to use here, if you be this tool, quick selection on magic one. Here is a option which is name select subject. I will click on this and this will automatically select this model for me. It is a little bit heavy processing. It may take a little bit time to process this. Now you can see it selected very good here, but it didn't select it here. The hair is not contained here. We can fix this by going to select and mask. Here put this on overlay to see what is selected, what is not selected. In here it is a tool like it is head selection tool. Select this one but with a little bit brush size like this. Just paint like this. You can see now the background is unselected, just hair is selected like this. It is a very good tool to select or cut out hair from background. A little heavy process. Just let the Photoshop to do what it wants to do. Like this. I think here is remaining and this side. I think it's good. Yeah, I think it's good. Now press OK. Now I will mask this with with mask layer here. Now you can see I have a mask. Perfect selection. Okay. Now I should bring this picture into that project. I will press Ctrl A to select all the picture and press Ctrl C to copy from this and Ctrl V to paste in this project. I will convert it to a smart object because I want to resize this later. I think it's okay. It should be completely wide and high to the picture that we are using. Now you can see it is not cut out with the model. In here I'm going to copy this layer mask to this layer. Let me rename this to Empire. It's model. Yeah. I will select layer, hold Alt or Option key on the Mac, Alt on the Windows, drag this into this layer. There you can see it is replaced to this mask. You can see it is selected for this model here or also the path. You cannot understand who is this. If you are working on your picture, no one will know that it is you. In here we should put this into overlay blending option, or you can use soft light. Soft light is also good. You can lighter color, soft light like this, hard light, everything that you want. In this section, in this situation, and in this episode, I'm going to use overlay like this. Here is a chain icon. You can see if this is chain selection and the picture will move together, like see like this. If this is unchained, just the layer, the picture will move, or the selection will move like this. Okay, in here it's little, not little, very brighty. I don't want that to be like that because of it's too. I will use a exposure to make a little bit darker like this. Clip it only to effect on this line. Here you can see it is completely changed to this one. It's a it is very good effect, but I want that not like that, a little bit darker like this. Yes, you can adjust this picture where side that you want to be. I will use the power set to be here, to be none that is it power. So I think it's too dark. Let me make it a little bit brighter like this. Let me move the picture up like this. Okay, it's done, it's finished. Let me black wire color the background. I will press Control and click on the blank layer icon here to make a blank, to have a blank layer below all the colored layer. I fill the background with this color by pressing Alt on the Windows, Option on the Mac system, and backspace. Now you can see it's colored. This hair is not completely selected because I didn't invest too much time. You can invest too much time in your photo to make a better selection of this picture, and your work will be better. Let me show you like this. If you see here, the head of this woman is not head, it is a building of, I don't know where is this one. I think it's also Empire State, I'm not sure. But this one, it is like this. It is a effect on Photoshop, or here he like this. How it make like photo like this? It selected the buildings picture, then cut out the sky. Just this picture is just buildings. There is no sky. Then when you mask the buildings picture to this girl layer, you won't have the head of this girl. If you don't know what I'm saying, I will post another video and show you how these kinds of image are made. And I wanted to make this picture also like that, because the selection to select the sky of this picture is a little bit complicated and hard. I didn't do that, I just selected this. You can make your pictures like this. Okay, I think if I turn this into black and white, it would be better. Why? Press Control Shift and U. This will be turn on. I didn't turn Control Shift U. Why? Control Shift U. Yeah, because this is a smart layer, a smart object. We should just write this layer down. Now we can make this black and white. I think this is better. The model will be black and white. The picture city will be color. This is good. Let me leave this up. This also black and white. Now let me change color of this with white color. Like this. Yeah, it's better. Yeah, it's okay. this is very easy to make like this picture. You should mask your face or your body, then put a mountain or any picture that you want and just put it on overlay blending option. This will be make like this picture. It's also very simple. All of them are very simple. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed this episode. In next video I'm going to show you how we can clean a face that which is full of acne, redness or any dot in this in any part of face. That will be very fun episode and that will be very useful for you. Okay guys, have fun, just subscribe, like and ring the bell of my channel. Thank you. I will post you every day a video or a trick of Photoshop. After I want to, or after not, during Photoshop I will start using Cinema 4D. Cinema 4D is also very very fun. That is very cool. I will also post, I don't know, in next month or maybe a little bit later I will post Cinema 4D videos and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe and like and ring the bell of my channel. Also follow me on Instagram. Feel free for asking me any question that you have in Photoshop. I will try email address and Instagram. Just feel free and ask anything that you want. Okay guys, see you next day.